work is what defines Pargat Singh Sandhu of Dabkheri village here, as he saved thousands of lives by bringing people out of deep waters without expecting anything from anyone in return. Not only this, Pargat Gotakhor, as he is known popularly, has also retrieved thousands of bodies and captured number of crocodiles that were rehabilitated at a local crocodile park. The remarkable thing about his work is that he has no formal training in capturing crocodiles.
मैं पिछले 17-18 सालों तो लगातार अपनी नहरों के उत्ते जो ये नहर
I take out bodies from this canal which comes from Punjab and goes to Delhi via Ambala and Kurukshetra. In the past 16-17 years, I have rescued over 1665 people from the canal and handed over them to their families. I do whatever God wants me to do.
सेवा के मुताबिक ਅਸੀਂ लगातार 17-18 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਇਹ ਸੇਵਾ ਨਿਭਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਤਕਰੀਬਨ 1665 ਲੋਕ ਜਿੰਦਾ ਨਹਿਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਕੱਢ ਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸੌਂਪ ਚੁੱਕੇ।
Hundreds of people lose their lives every year by drowning in the canal in Haryana. Pargat Singh takes out such bodies. He has taken out as many as 11,832 bodies till date. Bodies that are decomposed and nobody wants even to look at them are more often out by him. He then sends the bodies for post-mortem, paying from his own pocket at times. He not only brings out the bodies but saves lives also. He has rescued as many as 1,665 people.
ਗਰਮੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਕਸਰ ਬੱਚੇ ਨਹਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਸ਼ਰਾਬ ਪੀ ਕੇ ਨਹਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਾਂ ਸ਼ਰਾਬ ਦਾ ਨਜ਼ਾਰਾ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਡੁੱਬ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ।
Youngsters come here in the summer to have bath. Some of them even come here to commit suicide. And if I am around, I have saved their lives and hand them over to their parents.
ਆਪਣੀ ਜੀਵਨ ਲੀਲਾ ਸਮਾਪਤ ਕਰਨ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ। ਅਸੀਂ ਮੌਕੇ ਤੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਮੌਜੂਦ ਹੋਈਏ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਿੰਦਾ ਕੱਢ ਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਸੌਂਪ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਾਂ।
Rescued dangerous crocodiles. Pargat Singh not only saves lives, brings out bodies, but also rescues crocodiles. During the rainy season, when the Satluj-Yamuna link canal and Bhakra river are flooded and bring crocodiles to fields, he rescues those also.
ਔਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਸੇਵਾ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਜੋ ਪਿਛਲੇ ਲੰਬੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਤੋਂ ਜੋ ਸਾਡੇ ਹਰਿਆਣਾ ਦੇ
Crocodiles comes to the area with the floods and these could be dangerous for people. They end up eating a number of bodies also in the canal. Crocodiles create problems for farmers also, and I have captured 9 of them and handed over the same to the authorities concerned.
He decided to take up the noble work after seeing his grandfather die of drowning. There is an interesting story behind it. Pargat Singh got inspired and took an oath that he would never let anyone die of drowning after his grandfather died by drowning. He then decided to help others in trouble. He does all this without charging anything, but help those who need it.
ਕਦੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਤੋਂ ਨਾ ਪੈਸਾ
I have not charged any family, nor I would do so. I help them in whatever way I can.
ਪਰਿਵਾਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਚਾਹ ਪਾਣੀ ਰੋਟੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਕਦੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਤੋਂ ਕਦੀ ਪੈਸਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਿਆ।
Administration appreciates his selfless service. Pargat Singh is like God for many. Local administration respects a lot him and has been honored many times.
He helps a lot of people as well as the police. Whenever we have to bring out a body from the canal, we seek his help. He brings bodies out of the canal without charging anything. He is also training youngsters. He has been honored several times by the government.
Government appointed him for a job but removed after a few months. On the occasion of Gita Jayanti, which is held at Brahma Sarovar in Kurukshetra, Pargat Singh is needed there. Some time ago, he was appointed as a diver, but he was removed about 4 months later and no salary was given to him till date. As ETV Bharat asked the SP about the issue, he said the police can't do anything about it. Pargat Singh may be doing it without charging anything, but the question arises, Do the administration and society have no responsibility towards such a selfless person? An ETV Bharat report.
To watch 24/7 News Live, download ETV Bharat app.